Congratulations, guys. You officially have a deal under contract. Everything that we talked about already, everything that you've learned so far has been acquisitions. That's finding the actual deal itself, getting it under contract. Understand that that is the hardest part of the whole game, is getting the actual deal. Now we're going to shift to the dispositions side. And if you did everything correctly in acquisitions, dispositions should be a walk in the park, right? It's not easy, but it's nowhere near as hard as the acquisitions phase, right? So dispositions is finding the buyer, finding the closing attorney or title company that's going to facilitate the closing, right? Getting that closing, getting the deal to the closing table itself. That's all dispositions. That's on the back end, right? And that's what we're going to learn moving forward. But congratulations again, guys. You tackled the hardest part of the game, which is finding the deal. I'll see you guys in the next chapter.